Hi all perfectionists! Thanks for tuning into Photo Editing Hacks by YouCam Perfect. Who doesn't love sharing their daily life on Instagram stories? Eventually we get bored of normal stories and posts and we want something new and creative and fun. So today we're going to teach you 3 ways on how to make your Instagram story extraordinary. Are you ready? Let's begin! First tip. Bring your photo to life. What's cooler than an animated photo? You can easily create one with the animation feature from YouCam Perfect. We have both animated effects and stickers for you. Take a look at this. You're having high tea in a cute cafe. Let's add a touch of realism to your photo. Add the smoke animated stickers at the top of your hot coffee, so your friends can feel the warmth of the cup just by looking at the photo. This photo is taken from the outside of the cafe. We can add the raindrops effect in front of you. It looks perfect now. If you think the raindrops are covering up your face, you can erase some parts too. You can export the short clip with different settings. Adjust the ratio, duration, and quality to meet your needs. We even provide 4K high resolution for your extra realistic images. Tap on Export or directly share it to Instagram via our app. You can choose to post it to your Instagram feed or story. Next, we think an illusion photo is outstanding. This is the original image. And you have a bigger head now. Oh, how cute is it? After choosing your photo, tap on the Add Photo feature. Import the exact same image and use the cutout tool. You can highlight any part that you want to cut out. Tap the tick button when you finish the selection. The cutout is now being imported. Adjust the size and position to match the original photo. Use the eraser tool to get rid of some unwanted parts. Let's see how the magic works. It looks real! Your friends might ask you about this trick. Last but not least, add some sketches to your portrait. We love clean and clear photos, yet you can still add some sparks to a simple photo. In this case, our brush tool can help. Tap on the brush feature and you'll see a few options for the style, color, and brush size. For the style, you can choose the simple stroke, stroke with glows, or even a dotted stroke. Now it's time for you to draw and create. A crown, a wing, or any dots, lines, and shapes. Just use your creativity. The most important step is to save your edit and share it to your Instagram account. Click Save when your edit is ready to be published. Tag us at youcamperfect.official or use the hashtag YouCamPerfect or hashtag YouCamFan for a chance to be featured. We're so excited to see your awesome Insta story. Did you follow along on this tour? We hope it helps you on your photo editing journey. Let us know what you would like to see in the next video. Remember to like, share, and follow us on social if you love this. See you next time!